Guys, in this Flutter beginner project, we will create a break timer app which we can make our work status, or we may set the timer for the short breaks or long breaks. So this application we will show you how to create a progress status with the animation, and how to handle asynchronous programs with stream holder, and screen navigation, and also we implemented timer functionality with this. And final thing is we will how to store the data in the local storage with shared preferences. So this applications contains here, this is the main screen. Here we are showing in the top is three buttons, and in the middle we are showing the progress indicator, and in the bottom we are showing the two buttons to start and stop. Okay. So and we have the one more button is menu button. Here we are navigating to showing the menu icons to navigate to the settings page. So this is the settings page. We are showing here to set the timer for the work, how much time we need to take to do work, and the short time break and long term break we are showing here. So on pressing on this button, it will now save the data. Suppose if I am setting the time or work time to 2, and short time period is 1, and the long period is also 3. Now let's save it, and coming to here, and I am pressing taking the work, and it is taking the work is 2 minutes. I have to work here. Suppose if I want to take the break, so I don't know on which time I have to take, so I press this, so it will start the timer, and it is tell us to, once it is reached, it will say that our short break is over. So I have implemented this functionality. We can also add one more functionality whenever the time is over, so we can show the some notifications with the sound to tell the users that, alert the users that your time period is over. Thank you guys.